Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one activity which is called as law of moments. The aim of this activity is to determine the mass of given body, which may be the unknown mass, using a meter scale by principle of moments. So usually the given body has unknown mass and we have to find out. The apparatus for this activity is a meter scale suspended at CG, that is the center of gravity, hanger with slotted weights, a body of unknown mass, and threads, etc. This is the diagram of our activity, or we can say experimental setup. This is the formula for law of moments. M1R1 is equal to M2R2. In this case, we will calculate M1. So M2R2 divided by R1 is equal to M1. In this case, we will measure R2 and M2 and R1 will be fixed. Now, Mahajan sir will demonstrate you the experiment.
विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण ऍक्टिव्हिटी पाहणार आहोत. बोर्डाच्या एक्झामिनेशनच्या दृष्टीने आपण 7 ऍक्टिव्हिटी घ्यायला पाहिजे. त्याच्यासाठी आपण ऍक्टिव्हिटी नंबर फर्स्ट घेतोय, द लॉ ऑफ मुवमेंट टू डिटरमाइन द unknown mass of a given body by the meter scale. Apparatus, this is the meter scale. These are the slotted weight. We can take the unknown bodies, say this body, wooden body, again this spherical body, bob, and third is also spherical body which is known as the bob. Then we take the first reading. Therefore, this is the meter scale. Therefore, we adjust the first unknown body in from the CG. Therefore, at a distance R1 is a fix. Therefore, at a distance 15, which is a fix. Then we can from the CG R2 is movable, and therefore M2 is a weight. Therefore, we can adjust in such a way that therefore the meter scale in equilibrium condition. Therefore, in the sense, then therefore the meter scale in equilibrium condition, we take the from CG distance is R2, which is equal to 21, and therefore weight is mass M2 is weight which is given, which is equal to 50 gram. We can take second reading. Therefore, unknown weight, say M2, which is fixed, M1, which is fixed in at a distance from the CG, which is equal to R1. Therefore, we take the reading. Therefore, from CG, the distance D2 is variable. Then we take the reading on meter scale. Therefore, from the CG, the R1 is 15 cm from the CG. Therefore, R2 is 10 cm. Therefore, M2 is 50 gram and M1 is unknown. We can determine.
Now we have written the observations in the tabular form. The masses in both cases is 50. Then for first case, for the spherical bob, R2 was equal to 21 centimeter, and for second case, for the wooden block, the distance was 10 centimeter. So we will calculate M1 into R2, that is the product of second and third column. So 50 into 21, that is 1050, and 50 into 10, that is 500. Now we will calculate the M1 using this formula as we have discussed earlier, M1 equal to M2R2 upon R1. So here we have calculated M2R2. Now we will divide this by R1, that is fixed by 15 centimeter. So 1050 divided by 15 will give 70. So the mass of spherical bob is 70 gram. Similarly, for wooden block, 500 divided by 15, that is 33.33. So that is the mass of wooden block in grams. So we will write the results. The mass of given spherical bob is 70 gram and the mass of given wooden block is 33 gram. In this video, we have calculated the masses of two different bodies, but in the actual experiment and in exam you have to calculate the unknown mass of just one unknown body. In that case you have to take three different reading of the same body and then you have to calculate the mean, and in the result you have to write down the mean of the masses.